uyazi ngehlelwa izwi elithi kimi kunento kunegama lesilungu angilitholisisi kahle noba phenomena or something angiyazi esho ukuthini phenomena, but there is something ethize ezakwenzeka, that is some phenomena, something nje out of the ordinary. Lonto leyo will mark a new era yokuthi now sesingena kwenye i-era. Mawuyibona mawuyizwa bayenzeka kumele udeclare ngomlomo wakho yokuthi this coming era, kulo era leyo kumele uphumelele, kumele unqobe. Sizwile kuthiwa lento ezokwenzeka izabe imarka le era entsha esingena kuyona.
Ngizanifundela nje kancane eligama njengoba nimzubabe elichaza kune article bazayiveza ifundeka kanje ecacisa ukuthi leli gama libonisiwe ubaba phenomenon lihlangana kuphi nesimo esibhekene naso. First of all, there is an outbreak. It happens in one place. In the case of COVID-19, it was Wuhan. Then cases spring up elsewhere in places not geographically connected to the point of outbreak. If enough of these occur, it becomes an epidemic. When this phenomenon is repeated in a large number of countries across the world, as it has in this case, it can be considered a worldwide phenomenon. It's at this point that the outbreak can be characterized as a pandemic. Uyazwela nawe mbukeli, akusiyinto eqhamuka nobaba wethu, akusiyinto etholakala ebandleni lethu, isource yonke into bazayiveza nawe uziresearchele ngoba i-research ibalulekile. Uma abantu bebe researcher besizakwazi ukuhlukanisa iziprofeto zeqiniso nezamanga ngoba i-research must back up into kamoya. I-research must back up umuntu owembulelwa izinto, oboniswa izinto. Awunakhuluma into and then i-research ithi ayikho lento oyikhulumayo unless mhlambe umprofeti wento engekho. So ubaba uZwi-Lezwe ke na i-research iyaprova ngempela lento ayibonisiwe ukuthi it's a phenomenon. Yiyo i-COVID-19, yiyo the pandemic, because ishaya umhlaba wonke. Mind you, eSouth Africa before i-COVID-19 besiki recession, simo somnotho besiphansi. Saphinde futhi sa-downgradewa to junk status. I-COVID-19 yabuye yenza izinto zibe worse. Siyabona nje kubi ezweni, abantu balamba, abantu bahlupheka, imisebenzi iphelile. Siyabona nasenkolweni abakwazi ukupractice inkolo yabo ezinkonzweni, kunzima bakithi. So ngempela this is a phenomenon. Kodwa njengoba echaza ubaba uZwi-Lezwe ukuthi mayishaya lento nikhuleke ninqume nideclare ukuthi sizawuphumelela, sizawunqoba.